Hi guys. Welcome to the 4-Wheel TV channel. Support us by clicking the subscribe button and pressing the notification button. Thank you. After giving us a comprehensively redesigned Sentra for the 2020 model year, Nissan is mostly holding pat with its bread and butter sedan for 2022. The automaker had raised prices in 2021 by a few $100s, but also improved the optional LED projector headlights in the premium package for the SV and SR trims so that the sedan would earn top safety pick status from the Insurance Institute for Highway Safety. Pricing holds steady for 2022 on 2 of the 3 trims, with the top-tier Sentra SR going up by $250. There are 3 small updates, starting with the Safety Shield 360 suite of driver assistance aids being made standard equipment across the range. Safety Shield 360 adds automatic emergency braking with pedestrian detection, blind spot warning, rear cross traffic alert, lane departure warning, high beam assist, and automatic rear braking. The Sentra SV gains the option of an all-weather package. This bundles dual-zone climate control, heated front seats, a heated steering wheel, and remote engine start. The SR will be available with a new Midnight Edition package that drenches the V-Motion grille, rear spoiler, rear diffuser, and badges in black, and bolts on a set of 18-inch alloy wheels. Neither the all-weather nor Midnight Edition packages have appeared on the Nissan Sentra configurator at the time of writing, so we're not sure how much they'll add to the MSRP. Under the hood, the Sentra carries on with a 2.0-liter 4-cylinder putting out 149 horsepower and 146 pound-feet of torque, pushing power to the front wheels through Nissan's Xtronic continuously variable transmission.